Hey there, I'm Ernie Mellor, Pitmaster at Hog Wild, Real Memphis Barbecue, and today we're going to smoke some ribs. We have a special treat. We are using Blue Note barrel smoking chips right here. They're made out of bourbon barrels that can only be used in the bourbon aging process one time. And so our friends at Blue Note are turning these barrel staves into smoking chips, and eventually we'll have some of the smoking chunks as well. These are spare ribs. They're actually St. Louis style cut ribs. So we typically do what's called skinning the ribs, so there's a membrane on the underside. Not everybody does that, but we like to do it. And there are two items that we do that with that make it easiest. One is either an oyster knife or just a simple table knife that you have in your silverware drawer in the house. And what I do is I flip this baby over and I count back 1, 2, 3 ribs. And I run this blade right along the top side of the rib itself, and I lift up, and either a towel or a paper towel will help you pull this. So next what we do is we will marinate these, and we're using our hogwash with a little apple juice, and we'll put just a little bit of Blue Note Bourbon in there. And these can go for anywhere from 4 hours to overnight in the marinade. So we've marinated these St. Louis ribs in the hogwash and a little bit of Blue Note Bourbon and a little bit of apple juice, and you can tell that the coloration from the marinade has taken the red out of the meat. And now we're going to use the Hog Wild Rib Rub, which is a super duper rub that has a little bit of brown sugar and a little extra salt as compared to our special dry sauce. And we're just going to take it and liberally coat them like this. And I believe those are ready to go on the grill. So here we are about to pull off these St. Louis style ribs. I sprinkled them down with the Hog Wild Rib Rub again just a few minutes ago, and again you can see the smoke coming out with our Blue Note barrel smoking chips. They're causing all this wonderful smoke and flavor, and these are going to be falling off the bone good. So we do our best to cook these where they pull off the bone when you're eating them and not just fall off the bone. Some in the competitive world will say if it's falling off the bone, it's probably overdone. So I'm just going to take a simple cut right here, and we'll see what kind of look we've got. Nice and pretty. You see the red at the top, that's our smoke ring, which comes from the Blue Note barrel smoking chips. And I would say that you could still break that apart, and it's going to come off. Damn, that's good.